past you and you're like, man, why can't I do this? Why am I not getting the yields? Get away from all the pH and getting all away from all the hands-on stuff. Get to the hands-off growing. Grow organic. Gives you more time to do your research, to do your defoliations, to do your training, and to spend time with your family. So much love, Gromies. I appreciate you guys. Reach out if you need anything. Email me at mccanamisluke@gmail.com. And thank you so much for following along. Much love and have a great night.
I be the no-till farmer. No-till farmer. Yeah. Our planet better. Yo. Planet better.
Red worms in the cover crop. Fresh load of some compost. New mulch layer on the top. Let it grow, then we chop and drop those. I don't disturb my soil, no. Through the winter I let that daikon go. Roots penetrate deep and break down. I just feed the soil and take care.
So this is day 3 of the KOV challenge. So one of the things that we're supposed to do is ask a question, and one of the questions I'm interested in is, what do you think about my channel? When I started this channel, I started it, well, for me, I'm a type A personality and I needed to relax. I have some disabilities that are related to stress, and it seems like people like them and watch them. But you guys tell me what you think. Bye.
Federal authorities are trying to break up a drug ring.
The feds say a criminal Chinese enterprise has been buying up homes across the Sacramento region to turn into grow houses.
The marijuana grown in those houses was distributed all over the United States.
Aimed at dismantling a criminal Chinese enterprise, the organization is accused of using more than $6 million in foreign money to buy more than 100 homes around the Sacramento region to then transform into what he called marijuana factories.
Liz Monte Swanson says all the illegal marijuana found estimates to a total of around $16.3 million in street value. The 17,000 marijuana plants found totals around $14.5 million, and the 1,000 pounds of processed marijuana close to $1.8 million.
Infrastructure that they had set up, the sea trains that were buried, multiple air conditioning units and generators that they had out there, and they had a very self-contained operation.
The illegal Chinese migrants working the farms sleep in garages in subhuman conditions.
Are they slaves? Are they, you know what I'm saying? That's what I think. I think it's some type of slavery.
Fuck no. You get a crazy motherfucker that's willing to sign up to go on a journey, and then boom. He's like, hey, it's a multi-million-dollar organization, and there's only a few people here. Yeah, split that up, right?
And this is something we've been seeing in the media for quite some time now. Massive grow operations, thousands of plants, and they're all being done in pretty upscale, expensive houses all across the U.S. So this problem is not limited to a certain state or a certain group of states, it's across multiple states. Now recently, we've heard reports of Chinese investors literally having suitcases full of cash, and they're buying up U.S. farmland all across America. So it's not just million-dollar homes that they're purchasing, but also million-dollar farms. But the thing is, these crime rings are not limited to just only growing herb, but also they're involved in the trafficking of things like fentanyl, heroin, and all types of other hard drugs. So let's hear what some of these local farmers had to say about this whole thing.
It is a busy time of year in rural Oklahoma for lifelong farmers like Larry Williams and his son Colby.
It's interesting out here. You're moving the cattle, you're harvesting the wheat. It feels so American, yet there's something nefarious happening not far from here with the Chinese.
Right, yeah. Being out here all your life, you see things that you feel that are suspicious, you know?
Suspicious is an understatement to describe what is secretly happening here in Middle America. Illegal weed growing operations. Not run by Americans, but by the Chinese. Oklahoma law enforcement shutting down, on average, 15 of the illegal grow houses every single day. They say the illegal Chinese growers come across the southern U.S.-Mexico border and then travel to Oklahoma to work at the black market grow houses.